Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you crochet cardigans designs for more gorgeous and elegant ideas. Elegant videos and daily basis designs are so gorgeous ideas. These designs are so amazing videos and daily basis designs. Hope you guys more attractive and more stunning videos. So simplicity designs for crochet, for comfortable designs for uploaded for you, and hand knitted work for homemade and housewives, girls, women easily crochet work कर सकते हैं. Like amazing ideas हैं, and you more this video, and if any videos like more attractive elegant ideas. These designs are so gorgeous. Hope you guys like more attractive poncho designs for more gorgeous ideas and different types like poncho, cardigans, long cardigans, blouses, wall hanging, and different types designs. And online by these websites for available Google, YouTube, TikToks, and like public Instagrams, like amazing websites for name mention this crotches.pk, alibaba.com, amazon.pk, light in the box, and easily available this crochet things for crochet websites. Easily buy this home and do not go for market, and easily order this home and purchase this 2-3 days. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if any videos related to any pattern. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Bismillah.